Want to take advantage of the incredibly low mortgage rates, but you're not finding the home you want at the terms that work? Are sellers too scared to close fast? Hi, I'm Kimmy Rolfe with Berkshire Hathaway Fox & Roach, and I want to explain how you can use rent back to your advantage for buying on the main line. First off, sellers are reluctant to sell because they don't know where they're going to go. Quite rightly. It is an incredibly tight market right now. One way to take advantage of the conditions is to rent or lease back a home. And this removes contingencies, and it is an arrangement where a seller will stay in their home as a temporary tenant, and buyers are able to secure a home at low rates and also collect rent from the sellers. So how does this work? A seller rent back is typically included as part of the offer for the home, or the buyer can request a monthly fee from the seller. Often buyers are using the free months of occupancy as a negotiation tool in addition to going over the asking price. They are typically 30-day and 60-day agreements, and a seller typically pays a security deposit of several thousands or more depending on the price point, and the terms in the contract are called post-occupancy agreement. And this language is very important as a buyer to pay attention to in case of any issues. So does a rent back make sense for you as a buyer? A few things can be problematic in a rent back. Number one is there are issues with the seller vacating the property. Your best bet when considering attractive terms for sellers and the rent back option is having a reputable realtor to structure the contract so that it protects the buyer from the possibility of rent back going awry. Now, when you're searching for real estate in today's market, be sure that you have a realtor that is experienced in drafting post-occupancy agreements. I have drafted many, and I understand the nuances and the risks that are poorly drafted that the agreement can pose. So it is a popular misconception that just anyone can be a buyer's agent, but this is an example of when a skilled buyer's agent makes all of the difference. If you're shopping for a new home on the main line and you want to explore a rent back option, contact me today. Kimmy Rolfe sells the main line and local areas.